motions today, the demands. And I would like to speak on Goa Medical College. Goa Medical College, there's been a lot of work done. I want to congratulate the Minister for doing a lot of work in the medical college. And so also the doctors. I think we have to recognize their services. All the doctors, without naming anybody, full setup. The conditions at some of the doctors' work. I know the head of the departments. I know a lot of doctors. Our GMC in Maksada regular visitor. Twice a week I'm there for all types of call of oncology, call tugele surgery, call tugele orthopedic. Kitantu ami astat. And dotrang, I think it is my prime duty to appreciate their services. जे पण दोतोर काम करता येते तांकां थोड्यांक भायर जोतर काम केल्यार जायती सॅलरी देखून मेळोंक शकता. But they are काम करताय is commendable. So I appreciate their services. Doctor, जाऊं nurses, जाऊं staff, जाऊं MTS, जाऊं even जे limb करताय ते, even those who clean the GMC, I would appreciate their services. Speaker sir, which I have been doing all the time. Now, थोड्यांगे issues आहाय तेंगेले कितें आहा जाल्यार I would request the minister, whatever they want, you give them, because the services and the work they do is commendable. तेंगेले जाय demand आहाय दोतरांगेले. Senior resident agere, even some salary issues are there, some issues are there. Please clear them because it is of utmost importance. Health services जो है come short. Kurtori Health Center मकसदा medicines इले short है. आणि medicines माशे सुबेज जाल्यारी बर जातले. I thank you for giving me the new primary health center construction work. Almost second floor complete zala. Maximum come zata, although we are following up. आता I think any issues आहे. I want one dialysis center there. प्लस टेंडर पडताला तो फक्त बिल्डिंग जाला. आता त्या मेडिकल इक्विपमेंट टेंडर जावपा जायो, फर्निशिंग टेंडर जावपा जायो. I would request you to just follow up. I am following up. I would request to help in getting it done. Blood test report थोडे मातशे लेट येता I think एक-एकदा. So ते कितकोन बेगीन करून मेळटा चोवपाचें. Diabetes medicine जावं other medicine उणी आहा तें करपाचें. Laboratory technician is not there in PHC Kurtori. Healthcare MTS नाही तितू. जायत इल्लोसो staff. आता नॉय हॉस्पिटल एरिया देखो आनी लागतले. डिमेंशिया पेशंटांक what care support you are going to give तेय मातशें stress कर. Palliative care also पेशंटाक at affordable cost म्हणटे जावपा जाय. How to take care? I know there are centers, Caritas Goa, there are a lot of people who are doing it. आनी देखो मायज करपाक तें मातशें वावरपा जाय. Thinking into people who are poor, people who are needy. घरा कडेन तेंगे कोण आसना. आता दोतरांचेर म्हणतो एसाल्ट म्हणतो कोणाचेर जावपा जायना बाय चुकोन देखून असो इन्सिडंट जायना जाच्याक आमी केअर घेवपाक जाय. मेनी टायम्स दोतरांक कोण इन्सल्ट करता कोण कितें करता तेंय जावपा जायना. यू हॅव टू टेक प्रिकॉशन्स एंड सी ऑल्दो देर इज सेक्युरिटी देर. आनी देखून कितें करूं मेळटा प्लीज डू इट. साउथ गोवा डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटलान म्हाका सुद्दां जायते इश्यूज आहाय. ते इश्यूज वन ऑफ द इश्यूज इन अवर GMC तान एक इश्यू आहा इज द तुगेले ICU beds नाही म्हूण म्हाका सुद्दां ऑपरेशन देखून पोस्टपोन जाताय. I have been after the department for a long time. ICU beds कितको increase करूं मेळटाय ते. How best we can do that service. I want a categorical assurance. आज assurance जाय मिनिस्टरा कडेन. आपण 3 म्हयन्यांनी 4 म्हयन्यांनी 5 म्हयन्यांनी ICU beds आनी increase करतलो. इतू स्टेट जालो हा की थिंग ऑपरेशन्स देखून हे जाता पोस्टपोन जाताय. तेका लागून मोसो डॉक्टर्स आर देर थिंग ऑपरेशनूय जावपाक शकता दोतोर करपाक शकता बट बेड ना म्हणून उरता. स्पीकर सर आतां टॉकिंग अबाउट सायकॅट्री आय वॉन्ट टू कॉम्प्लिमेंट देम कित्याक नवे हॉस्पिटल बांदता आय थिंक जाय हॉस्पिटल तेंगे सिट्युएशन इतलें आहा सारकें इतू तेंक फेसिलिटीज आहाय. आज IPH बीन पेशंट आहाय जे आज ड्यू टू द मेंटल हेल्थ एक्ट चड तेम धरूंकूय मेळना. तेंक आनी खूंय सेंटर घेवन आनी थोडे दीस दवरूं मेळटा जाल्यार एसो सेंटर गव्हर्मेंटान केलें जाल्यार म्हाका सुद्दां बरें जातलें. 15 दीस 8 दीस सुद्दां तेंक ट्रिटमेंट दिलो 8 दीस पावना. आमगे विलेजीन आमगे गांवांनी एश कोन्न 4-5 पेशंट आसताय खूंय जाल्यार हू आर हॅविंग प्रॉब्लम्स. घरा कडेन कुयदाद करपाक कोण ना. घरा कडेन ते मेडिसीन घेनाय. कुयदाद करपा मनीस आहा मेडिसीन घेनाय. मेडिसीन घेना म्हूण तेंगे रिलॅप्स फास्ट जाता. फास्ट रिलॅप्स जायना जाच्याक वन ऑफ द रिजन वन ऑफ द थिंग्स गव्हर्मेंट कॅन डू इज तेंकां एक केअर सेंटर फकत तेंकां दवरपाक थिंगा अंडर लॉक एंड की दवरपा जाय. बट मेडिसिन्स आनी 15 दीस दिले जाल्यार IPH बीन 8 दीस दवरले आनी आनी 10 दीस सुद्दां थिंग दवरले जाल्यार तेंक बरें पडटलें. स्पीकर सर तुगेले अंगणवाडी वर्कर्सांचे इश्यू आहाय तेंकां सॅलरी म्हाका सुद्दां मॅक्झिमम सॅलरी आय थिंक दे गेट अबाउट 18,000 ते मातशें वाडोवपाक जाय 18-20,000 कितें मेळटाय तांकां and the minimum salary is 10,000. I think they should be slightly more. And tengele what you are giving the lockak tum ditai thi that tugele it is the suki powder ka kita hato that is if it could be changed and brought back to the original thing because हम garbage collect करता हमचे constituency कितनी bag येता इथे garbage ची इथे packetaची so if that can be stopped and the previous system can be incorporated I think the minister should be proactive and do that thing which is in the interest of the people ते कौन का use करना आता even बारिश मुळे I am just raising it actually I should have not raised it even the pads that have been given are of poor quality in the sense that they can be better quality can be given and less number of pads can be given the use को नहीं आज looking into what Goa state is the quality that is to be given the type of thing that we have the system we have the standards we have ताका लागून ते मातशें increase केल्या बरें तेगे salaries and तेगे issues high even we have got small issues like recharge of mobiles for the staff thanks to मातशें चड दिवपा मेळटा it is hardly coming to 360 per month कितें दिता ही ताका ते तेंगेले मातशें चड जालें जाल्यार तांकां भर जाता and they will be able to be more proactive तेंगे जायते demands आहाय तेजेर because sir talking about 17A and in town planning and 17(2) and 39A. Speaker sir, I would like to, the minister has rightfully said that we have not to talk on the streets, we have to talk in the assembly. I think based on that, I would like to say 17(2) I think already orders Zali High Court Aji. I think we should, yeah, that is already cleared and it should stick to the court's ruling. 13A, I think we have to, zoning, it was done in good interest, no doubt. It was done in good interest, it was done for small changes. Atput jo changes zale, tejer mag dista, it is better that Jaipur Italian land change zoning zala, change in zone zala, that I think you have to keep it in abeyance. You have to see that it is specifically for small areas, specifically for people who require it. More so, because land is scarce. Goa is a small state which is of utmost importance, economic, it should be like पयलीं जे गांव आसताले लोकांक जाय की बरे भशेन उरलो गांव आपल्या गेलो ते भशेन दवरपाक talking into all this I think we should I'm not demanding just for the sake of a political point but since the minister has done nice work in GMC I would expect the minister to do here also a lot of people are having expectations from you but what is this that you should do residential village area construction aate I remember during the town regional plan movement, everybody spoke of ground plus 2 structures, ground plus 1 structures, and people spoke of having FARs reduced and this reduced. I am here to tell you that I have no problem. Even ground plus 1, munge gawan kel dale pasum, I have no problem. We have absolutely no problem. Munche ek scheme early where scheme of things in the villages. Now housing board yahamaga. I have got Kurtori, I have got Raya. I've got part of Rashol and this also, Kamali. Only housing board, ek area, kitne all construction. FAR almost 2.5, 2% FAR kelo hatinga housing board. Think on look yangonne. There are no issues there. But in the villages, we have got issues. I've got another issue where we have to protect the fields, we have to protect the hills. I would request the minister to identify the hills, areas where hills are, regional plan. There is a slope. Amgele 2-3 project hai where we have told the minister, we have requested the minister under 39th and conversion dipa jaina. I want an assurance from the minister that that area, Sasoda Hill right up to Maina Hill, there should be no construction. Hills should be identified in the regional plan. Regional plan जाऊं तो गेले main plan Goa cadastral plan hills आणि सोकली शेत म्हणो की नी down adding to Shatan. Doni identifies over there. Tin with construction monta yopago zaina. Tenge FAR dekun, TDR dekun, dil dale tenka sofal dipa jao. Kitian dale scheme of things, taking the people into confidence. I think we should do it. I am Sodha Mullo ha ki we have no desment. Amka problem na. Dori tori dongor ani shed samarle. Modi zatur mash uer karle am problem na. But since now we have issues of ground plus 1 structures, because I'll finish. Since we have ground plus 1 amka issue ha, even ground plus 1 structures karle kind problem now. At least I as an MLA, if the people stand up with me, I would be fully with the people as far as ground plus one structures in villages. Villages, especially villages like where we have got Amka, in our village, we have Amgele, even heritage village Kurpaku, we have issues. Heritage village Kurpakam, Vaul no Amge constituency. I had issues there. But in spite of all that, few villages in Goa, I am talking of my villages in Goa, Amge's specifically, ground plus one, ground plus two maximum structures, we have no absolute issues. From the village point of view, आमगे गांव बरो, आमगे शेता है, आमगे है. ती सांबाळपाक आमी, we feel, if the minister feels, if the government feels, we will remain and we will be happy with it, that we should be here. Now the government, we have, I know the government has the mandate, the moral authority to act, but what people are saying, it is not because of the opposition, it is not because of this, not because some activists are inciting, no. I think it isn't right that we should have some take on this. I would expect the minister to come up with a system under 39A. I am not here to tell you to completely, because I have got one church institution, I have got one church. Amgeli ek church hai band pazai. Ti band umerna ki it is not coming under this. So, but only this type of changes. If amendment can be brought under 39A to regulate the conversion, I would be very happy, Speaker sir. But at the same time, we should not allow lot of constructions which will, damage the villages. City method already construction aili, city method already issues aile. And amge ek project zala, people have objected. I would request the minister, specifically I have written about all these issues. Under 39A mage maximum hills ke pad henkele, tya soil minister bole, I got an assurance also from the honorable minister. Today also I want an assurance back again that all the hills, that there would be no change of zone. Sokol, I have no much issues as far as the down place is concerned. But where people have issues, I will have an issue with Sangon. Speaker sir, looking forward that the minister will be in villages where we have Amge constituency, where people look up as a heritage village, as a good village, which we are promoting cultivations of rice. Itla orsa ami cultivations of rice kon. I remember when Amdar zala tenna we had construction paddy cultivations had gone to almost 30-40% ache paulale. Aaj back to 90%. My effort, all troubles I had. It was not an easy task. क्षेत्रोपा आज क्षेत्र लिवता मिळाली machine that मिळाली हाल machine ready कोत्ताय धाडपा मिळाली उदो सुट्टाले. There were a lot of issues. We have struggled consistently. लोकांको हें कोण थोड्यांको झोगोण पासून आमी agriculture promote केल्या. So ही agriculture शेतां सांबाळपाक लागून Speaker sir, एकूच minute. I'll finish in 1 minute. Speaker sir, I think in the fairness I would expect the minister to give me an assurance on this thing.